Good morning, student. Today I am here to explain you one of the very basic concept of how to find out direction of force on a moving charge. So this is the topic, student. Force on a moving charge in a magnetic field. The formula for this is F is equal to Q V cross B. This becomes, as already you know, student, VB sin theta, and theta is the angle between V and B. This is the magnitude of the force. But the main thing is how to find out the direction. For that I am revising the 11th class vector product, student. See here, vector product. Suppose there are two vectors A and B, and C is the cross product of these two vectors. So this is the magnitude you already studied, and theta is the angle between A and B. Now student, the main thing is the direction of this vector C. How to find out direction of C? So first thing, remember, this vector C is always perpendicular to vector A. Also, this vector C is always perpendicular to vector B. First thing you have to remember, it is a cross product, student. C is perpendicular to A. C is also perpendicular to B. Now, how to find out this direction of C? So, student, we have what is known as right hand curl rule. We have right hand rule. Student, you have to place the right hand like this fingers at one place and this at right angle. Okay, student. Now, this fingers you have to keep it toward the first vector. So here first vector is A. So I'll keep it like this. This finger must go toward the first vector, student. This. And then, student, you have to curl this finger toward the second. So if my finger is, if this is the first vector, toward the second, student. See, like this. Can you see it? I am curling it. So this finger is coming outside. This is the direction of vector C, student. So what is the rule? Place the right hand thumb like this. This set of fingers should be point toward the first vector, and from here you have to rotate this toward the second vector. Then the direction along which this thumb points is the direction of the cross product of these two vectors, student. First rule. One more rule is also there, student. Same right hand rule. What you have to do is, you have to place the first finger, you have to place the thumb along the vector A. First finger, first vector, and this along the second vector. Just you have to keep it like this. See, this along first vector, this along second. Just I have to place the hand like this. And you know, as the blessings are given, the side in which the blessing rays will come out, or the perpendicular upward, that is the direction of vector C. So there are two rules, student. One is, you place these fingers along the first vector and curl it toward the second. The direction towards which the thumb points is the direction of the third vector cross product, C vector. Another is, you place this along the first vector, this along the second vector. Then the palm upward perpendicular, or the blessing, as you know, give the blessings, the rays will come out along this direction. That is the direction of the third vector. Now, student, I am coming to this topic. Force, QVB sin theta. This is first vector, and this is second vector. Suppose, student, this is the direction of magnetic field. And this is the direction of velocity of a positive charge moving along this side. It is a uniform magnetic field. As you know, force will act according to this formula. Now what will be direction of this force? See, this is the first vector, student, first vector. I am using the second rule. I am placing my this thumb along the first vector, student, and this should direct along the second vector. Second vector is B. So see how I am placing the hand, student. See, first vector, second vector. Now which side the perpendicular palm upwards on the palm is inside this board, student? Okay, or the blessing rays will go inside the board. See, I have to place my hand like this, student. So the direction of force is inside the board. Direction of force is inside the board, student. Or you can apply the right hand curl rule also. I have to place this finger along the first vector V, and this I have to curl my finger this toward the second vector. Okay, student, I have to curl the finger toward the second vector. So my thumb will go inside the board. So in this case, the force is acting. In this case, this method is easy, student. The force is acting inside the board. Suppose, student, this is an electron instead of positive charge. If it is electron, okay, then by the same rule, the same thing you will apply. It is moving upward, but the direction will reverse from this. By this I am getting inside, so direction will be, force will be outside. Force on electron will be outside. Just opposite of the direction which is coming by this method. Let's solve student another question. Now one more thing, student, remember, when the cross, this is written, this means direction perpendicular inside the board. When crosses are written, and when dots are written, this means direction perpendicular outside the board. This denotes direction inside. This denotes direction outside. Now let's solve another question. Suppose the magnetic field is like this. Magnetic field. Okay, student? And it is a uniform magnetic field. Uniform. And suppose charge is traveling this way. Positive charge. This is the velocity. So this is the first vector upward on the board. This is the second vector inside the board. So how I have to place the finger, you see, student. See my fingers. First vector, velocity. Second vector inside the board. Which side the rays will come out for blessings? Or the perpendicular on the palm upwards. Which side, student? This is the direction of force. What I have done, I have kept this finger along the first vector, velocity, and this along the second vector. So in this case, first vector was upward, so this upward, and second vector was inside the board, so this inside. See the direction of force. It is coming left hand side. See, this is the direction of force, student. So this particle will turn along this side. And if it is electron, the direction will be opposite to this side. right side of this. It will deflect. If it is electron, the force will be along this side. This is how, student, you can find out the direction of force by this means. Thank you.